Is your Windows computer filled with unwanted files that are taking up valuable storage space? Temporary files, old logs, browser cache, and other unnecessary data can accumulate over time. BleachBit makes it easy to remove these files safely while giving you full control over what gets cleaned. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove unwanted files with BleachBit step by step. Let's get started. First, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows displays the User Account Control prompt, click Yes to continue. Running BleachBit as an administrator allows it to access additional system cleanup options. Next, review the list of cleaning categories on the left side of the window. Select the types of unwanted files you want to remove, such as temporary files, browser cache, system logs, thumbnails, recycle bin contents, and other unnecessary data. Take a moment to read each description so you understand exactly what will be cleaned. Before deleting anything, click the Preview button. BleachBit will scan your computer and estimate how much storage space can be recovered without removing any files. Reviewing the preview helps you confirm your selections and avoid deleting data you want to keep. After reviewing the preview results, click Clean and confirm the action if prompted. BleachBit will remove only the categories you've selected. Depending on the number of files and your computer's performance, the cleanup may take a few moments to complete. Once the cleanup finishes, review the summary to see how much storage space has been recovered. You can repeat this process whenever you want to remove unnecessary files and keep your system organized. Regular maintenance helps prevent unwanted files from building up over time. And that's how to remove unwanted files with BleachBit. Using the preview feature before cleaning and selecting only the files you no longer need is a safe and effective way to recover storage space and maintain your Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.